morning everyone. Alright, so today mag-walk tour tayo and mag-ride tour as well sa Kojima Kogen Park.
Arigatou gozaimasu.
Konnichiwa. 2 adults, 1 child. 2, 1.
Flavor include diesel.
Okay.
Hi.
Thank you. This is the wrist band and the tickets for 5,500 yen adults. Yan yung pwede mong sakyan. So, go-karts, Poseidon, ganyan. Alright, so ito na yun. Thank you. Alrighty. We're in. Ano, saan tayo? The sky. So we're now here at Kojima Kogen Park. Congratulations! Ano, how was the ride?
Nakakatakot.
Ha?
Kahit maliit lang.
Oy! Ay! Grabe! Ay, grabe! Grabe!
Parang kang pinabugbog eh.
What a ride! Ako yung number 1. Nakatingin nga sa akin yung yung dalawang hapon. Parang alam, yung mukha ko talagang famous ka na paglabas mo eh. Let's eat first before we continue. Oh, saan yung parents mo? May ating meal for today. Fish burger and fried potato. Sumimasen. Pero ibang rides, hindi pwede yung camera. So, dun ko lang nalalaman pag nandun na. So, pag meron, pag pwede, shoot tayo. Philippine daw. Philippine. So, one of our vlogs dito sa Beppu, yung nakita mo yan, yung rope Beppu Ropeway. So baka mapanood nyo yun. Yeah, the roller coaster. Kaway daw, kaway. Grabe yung ride. Grabe ito at ang pinakamalapit natin ride. Mas matindi to kaysa dun sa isa. Wala siyang ikot, pero it's so fast. Jupiter is the shit. Grabe, Jupiter.
Actually, papanoorin ko lang.
Super scary. Pinakamalupit na nasakyan ko roller coaster sa buong buhay ko. Let's go. Hey, thank you, Beppu. Woo! So dito na nagtatapos ang ating vlog for today. Hope na nag-enjoy din kayo like us. And if you like this video, of course, give it a thumbs up. And if you have comments and suggestions, comment down below. And until the next time, see you all in the next video. Bye. Signing off here at Beppu Japan, Kojima Kogen Park.